Folks, I sure am glad y'all decided to stop by and check my little video out today. But I'm not going to be able to stick around. If any of y'all ever took time to check out my About page, I tell you, most of my videos are going to be about things I want to do in the shop. And when do I do them? I do them when I want to, how I want to, except when my wife's around. Now, she don't ask for a whole lot, but she has asked me to go with her today on a little adventure. Y'all come on, I'm gonna take y'all with me, and we'll just see what we do today. I'm gonna figure out a way to have a little fun, and we'll check back with you after it's over. I'm coming, hold on.
Daddy has a pet like every so we call her.
I'd bring my wife down here and check out this cotton picking fair. I ain't gonna have no fun. This kind of stuff, you know, walk around, look at stuff, buy it. Thought I'd give y'all a little look. Lots of vendors, lots of goodies. Never know what you'll find. Woo, look at them swings. I like setting them swings right there. That's awesome. That's awesome. What is that? What is that? What the devil? Hey, this is gonna be a good day after all. This right here gonna work out, son. Look at here. I'll be back in a little bit. I gotta go do something.
Over there it is, I see it. Rooster spotted a cold beer.
You gonna ride in that buggy? You gonna ride in that buggy? I will. You just pull, I'll ride in the buggy, okay? No, we ain't having none of that.
All right. Pay the driver. That's right, y'all. You better pay your driver. With the choo-choo train. Check him out. What do you think about that? Well, I want a choo-choo train. I want to ride. You want to ride the choo-choo?
Sure.
just a little bit of what's going on.
Yeah, we
Like house. Beach house.
Hey! Now ain't that sweet? Ain't that sweet right there? Old International Cub Cadet. Farm all. Cola power. Walk around. That is sweet. Now y'all know y'all want that. And this is original. This ain't a repaint. This ain't a redo. This man took care of his stuff as well as this. Super A Farm All. Now that's what we came up here to see, is something like that. Converted over to 12 volt. Used to be a 6 volt, you know. Hey, I don't know about y'all. I'm gonna go find that beer booth again.
Woo! Now that little adventure, that was a lot of walking for an old boy. But I had a good time. And I'm glad I took time out of my shop to go spend it with her. And I suggest, or would recommend, everybody take a minute. Decide what's important to you in life. Is it working on all this junk? No. Do I like working on this junk? Why, yeah, I do, or I wouldn't do it. Think about what it takes to enjoy your day. I had fun today, and I'm glad she drugged me along with her. I might go back. Y'all take care of one another. Be good to one another, because the world ain't being good to one another. And I hope y'all enjoyed this little step away from the shop. If you enjoyed this video or anything else, how about a thumbs up? Subscribe if you want to. If not, Rooster gonna keep smiling. We'll see y'all next time. Hey, I got to go. I gotta go sit down.